students. Today we'll be continuing with the numericals of the chapter Work, Energy and Power, module 5. In the module 4 we had done numericals. Today we'll be again doing some numericals. Just see the exercise. Calculate the height through which the body of mass 0.5 kg, whose mass is given 0.5 kg, is lifted if the energy spent in doing is 1 joule. So energy is given to us, mass is given and G is given to us. So how we'll do the numerical? Over here mass is given as 0.5 kg, the energy is given as 1 joule and G is given as 10 meter per second square. So we know that energy is mgh. So energy is given 1, mass is given 0.5, G is given 10. We want to find out h. So it will be 1 by 0.5 into 10. That will give me h. That will be 10 by 5 into 10. That is 1 by 2. That is 0.2. 1 by 5. 1 by 5, that is 0.2 meter is the height. Now we move on to the next numerical, that is, suppose this, a body of mass 10 kg is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. If the mass is doubled and velocity is half, find the initial kinetic energy, find the final kinetic energy. So we do it in two parts. Suppose A and B. The mass of the body is 10 kg, moving with a velocity is 20 meter per second. Mass is doubled, means it will become 20 kg. Velocity is halved, means 10 meter per second. So I want to find the kinetic energy at A. Kinetic energy is half into mv square. That is half into 10 into 20 into 20. That will give me 2000 joules is the kinetic energy at A. Initial kinetic energy. Now similarly I want to find the kinetic energy of B. Half into m into v square, that is half into 20 into 10 into 10. That will give me 1000 joules. So this is a numerical in which mass is given, velocity is given, mass is doubled, velocity is halved. This kind of numericals again you need to practice. Now go on to another numerical. A bullet of mass 50 gram. Okay, this is numerical 22. A bullet of mass 50 gram. Mass is given 50 gram, moving with a velocity of 500 meter per second. It penetrates 10 centimeter into a target and comes to rest. When it comes to rest means the final velocity is 0. Means this will be my initial velocity. Mass is given in grams, so first you convert it into kg. Distance is given in centimeter, convert it into meter. So whenever it is given in grams, centimeter, just write down the things which are given, so you will know where the conversion needs to be done. Find the kinetic energy possessed by the bullet. So kinetic energy is half into mv square, that is half into mass is 50 by 1000 into velocity is 500 into 500. How much it will be? 1 2 3 2 3 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 1 2 5 0 0 by 2. That will give me 6250 joule. This is the kinetic energy. Then I also want to find the average retarding force. Means I want to find the force. I know that force is mass into acceleration. But first I need to find out the acceleration. To find the acceleration, I have a formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V is final velocity is 0, u is 500 into 500 plus 2 into a into s, 10 by 100. That will give me 5 5 is 25, 25 0 0 0 0 plus a by 5. So taking it to the other side, I will get a by 5 is equal to minus 25. That will give me how much? 125. This is the retardation. Now I want to find the force. Force is mass into acceleration, that is 5000 into 25 to 3 zeros into 5. Acceleration is 1250000. Now force, mass into the acceleration, I get 125 into 5 is 625 and 2 zeros, 62500 Newton. So again, this is a very important numerical, because over here mass was given, initial velocity was given, displacement was given, final velocity. So I need to find the kinetic energy, half mv square. Then I need to find the acceleration, force. So for force I need acceleration. Acceleration I found out by the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Then I found out the force. Now see page number 47, the numerical 4. Again a very important numerical. The diagram given below shows a sky jumper a sky weighing 60 kgf stands at the top of A of the sky jump. He moves from A to B. A is at a height of 75 meter, B is at a height of 15 meter. Calculate the change in the gravitational potential energy between A and B. So at A, I want the change in the gravitational potential energy. The change in the gravitational potential energy means the potential energy at B minus the potential energy at A minus B, we can take, that is 60 into 10 into 75. At A it is 75 meter and B it is 60 into 10 into 15. We are doing MGH, that is 60 into 10, 75 minus 15, that is 60 into 10 into 60. That will give me 36000 joule. This is the change in the gravitational potential energy between A and B. Then we come to the next part. If 75% of the energy in part A becomes the kinetic energy at B, means 75% of the energy becomes the kinetic energy at B, means 75 by 100 into 36000 becomes the kinetic energy. I want to find the speed. So I know that kinetic energy is half mv square, that is how much this will become, 75 into 36000 by 100 is equal to half into mass is 60 into v square. So 30, two zeros will cut, 75 into 360 by 30 is v square. 3 1 12. 75 into 12 is 900, that is v square. Means v is under root 900, that is 30 meter per second. So again a very important for numerical, because over here we want to find out the change in the kinetic energy, potential energy from point A to point B that we got. Then the potential energy becomes 75% becomes the kinetic energy, and from there we have to find out the speed. So this is how we will find out the speed. Thank you.